Hi all, and welcome to another DIY with McKenzie. This time, my fridge doesn't work, so this one should be fun. So I am literally taking my fridge apart right now. I want you to see. Yeah, that's disgusting, but we'll talk about that later. I am going to experiment with some real DIY hands-on. Gonna take this thing apart, and I mean, you know, it could go really bad, but I think I can really do this. So I'll check in a minute. I can't even get the shelves out. I should probably be holding this instead of a camera. Oh, shoot! Drain thingy, obviously not the problem. Or maybe it is. Someone who's better at this than I am should probably diagnose this. Anyone? Anyone? I think I found the problem. Is that it, guys? I think that's it. That's a big ass chunk of ice, right? Woo! That's a lot of ice. Oh. Oh, shoot. The sound of success. No more dripping. Seems colder. We'll see. I think we had another DIY success here, folks. I will tune in with you next time on another episode of McKenzie Does Something.